Hey there, freaks and sickos. Welcome to the Open Source Toy Chest. I'm your host, Clark Macbeth, and I made a video that was about, it was called Vibe, and what I used it for was to show how you can do transcriptions on your Linux workstation. And I did that. And since then, I've been using that to make subtitles because it uses OpenAI's Whisper voice recognition, which can work better than Google's. Um, it does work better than Google's automatic captions, so that's good enough for me. But beyond that, though, and I will be using that Vibe app for the captions in this video as well, if you notice any mistakes, feel free to point them out in the comments section. Now it's time to start this channel from scratch. What I got here is the Scratch programming language. Yeah, this Web 2.0 looking flat design, like it looks kind of like FlatHub, which is a place to get Linux apps. They're kind of similar, and it looks kind of GNOME. Even though I am running KDE, which is the best desktop environment. It's like one's white, the other's purple. Flat-ish buttons with a bit of metropolitan design or whatever Google calls that thing. Anyway, maybe it's time to create stuff. Let's create stuff with Scratch, I guess. And over here we have this yellow cartoon cat-looking thing. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? Looks like we got these blocky things on the left side. I did watch the tutorial video. But these are my thoughts. We got these blocky things here on the side. We have motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, event blocks, control blocks, sensing blocks, operator blocks, some variables, and my blocks, my personal blocks right over here. So these kind of look like some of the operators and variables look like parts of a programming language. Sensing is like input output, and so is control, like putting directions where it goes, and advanced processes. It looks Python-ish from what little I know about Python. So let's see here. We got Mr. Cat here, but I am Metro Mutt, so I'm gonna see if there's a dog character instead. Yeah, I'm deleting the cat. Boy, I said boy, I said boy. Backdrop sounds. What should I do? What kind of character should I get? I suppose that is my only sprite. Oh, wait, hold up. What do we got down here? Surprise sprites. Fairy, city bus, ooh, that's a good one. Hatching dog. I'll go with dog 1. Yeah, all of this shit. So I'm gonna start this off with a trigger event. I really wish there was a way. Is there a way to? Oh yeah, there we go. That looks better. I can see that more. Thank you. So where was I? Oh yeah. So when the green flag is clicked, broadcast message 1 and wait. Message 1. Message. But how do I change the message? Am I able to? Control. How would I make a block? Oh. Input. This is a test message. Message. Okay, so it looks like this has shapes. So there are some parts and pieces that won't fit with others, just like a real programming language. And that's awesome. Now, I want to play a sound. I want to start the sound of dog 1. Change the pitch. Start the sound again. And now I'm going to move some of these characters in what looks like Minneapolis of some kind. And we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it, we're gonna... This is what Scratch is named after, actually. Like scratching the record. Play meow. Start meow when I click the flag, the green flag. The start flag. Minnesota. Pitch. Meow, meow. Yeah. The cat gets to be annoying. The dog gets to be annoying. Repeat the message. And we gotta make a fairy part of the story for some reason. Green flag. Broadcast message. $10 magic. $20 magic. $30 magic. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be inappropriate, okay? There we go. I am a black lesbian toilet and also a furry. I am a furry fairy. There we go. The fairy speaks. A bit of deception. 1, 2, repeat 10 times. And I think there was a clone. Create clone of myself. No. Create clone of City Bus. This is the magic. No, Metromut. Only Metromut can do that kind of magic. So, yeah, the fairy makes the dogs. Going back to the dog character now. I'm gonna delete this block here. Nope. To all of these. And, when the dog sprite is clicked, aw, this is gonna be so great. Create clone of the sprite when clicked. Sensing. Touching mouse pointer. Let's see, what are we going to do with the Islamic lady? Pop. Pop. Change pitch. Pop. I have no idea what I'm doing. There has got to be... Oh yeah, that is good starting. And that's just going to repeat 10 times. And this cat character is just going to be similar. So I have made the code for some kind of animation. I don't know what. And all of these sprite characters could be considered part of a library. Like when you're in Python, you can have inputs and then file name in both parentheses. Like input parenthesis image1.png other parenthesis. So this does kind of get me into the coding mindset. I'm having fun thinking about how annoying the loops will be, and the sounds are also like part. They would be part of a Python library. They would be a print or an output of something like, meow.ogg, bark.ogg, that sort of thing. Nah, you know what? That's just not annoying enough. All right. I give to you for consideration of the Academy Metro Mutt and the Downtown Crowd. A film produced entirely in Scratch, a masterpiece for your eyes and ears to behold. We are now pleased to bring you our feature presentation. The Rise of Metro Mutt. One dog, one ferry, one bus. Oh, is there a way to make this full screen? Oh yeah! The movie! Ah yes! Oh! Thank you for the nomination. I appreciate it. I would like to thank the Academy. And to everyone else, I appreciate you all for being brave enough to watch this to the very end. And as always, subscribe if you like, and share if you care.